At DD Audio, we are always looking toward the horizon, always improving our products, always pushing boundaries. We created the free flow cooling system that you'll now find in nearly all modern motor structures. The EROM surround was designed within these walls and has since evolved into the VROM surround, which you'll find on our ESP woofers. For years, our industry has been plagued with tariffs, with supply chain issues, with labor shortages, but that's all dust in the wind. DD Audio's history was forged in the future. And now, in 2022, we're breaking through the barrier of time to bring you the dawn of tomorrow, today. Because the future of mobile audio, the future of manufacturing, the future is NFTs. DD Audio is casting aside the physical for the digital, the tangible for the abstract, the replicable for the non-fungible. And it's not just our products that we're converting into NFTs.
We're good. Just has been minted. He's on the chain.
DD Audio is very proud to announce its bold new direction back to digital designs. We mean this quite literally, of course, by creating true digital objects that are true to the source.